welcome to this video, and today I'm going to show you guys how to automate your Android phone using the app called Tasker. This app is available on Play Store for a really cheap price, and the reason I decided to do this video is really simple. It's because beginners to this app actually find this interface really difficult to work with, and I'm going to show you guys how to. Also, in addition to that, I'll be showing you guys how to download Tasker for free without paying for it on Play Store, and I'm also going to show you some helpful profiles that you can use on Tasker. If you guys still find it hard to use Tasker after my tutorial, I'm going to give you some free alternatives that are much easier to use. Okay, so let's get started. So guys, once you open up Tasker like this, what you guys basically see is 3 tabs saying profiles, tasks and scenes. Profiles are basically the triggers to whatever action or task that you want your phone to execute, and it's pretty simple to set one up. So today I'm going to show you guys something that I want to do when I open let's say messaging. So when I open messaging, I just select apps and then go for messaging as the app selection, and then it would basically ask you what task you want to do when you open up messaging. So when I open up messaging, I want my phone to switch on auto rotate. So what I do is I go for messaging mode on. That's my profile name right now, so I just say messaging mode on and press plus to add an action. So when I add an action, what I want to do is go for display and select display auto rotate and set it to on, and now when I open up messaging, it will automatically set my display to auto rotate. And now that you've done that, you also want your messaging mode to be off once you go off messaging. So what you do is basically click and hold on messaging mode on and select add exit task. So once you do that, you go to new task. Wait, that was wrong. So select different task and you go to new task, and then you say messaging mode off. So I'm gonna type that right now, messaging mode off. And now when you press the plus sign and go to display, you go to display auto rotate and set it as off. Once you do that, so this profile is done. Now what it does is when you open up messaging, it turns messaging mode off, but when you exit it, it turns it off. Well, that's basically how you handle Tasker. And now you're basically done. After completing the above steps, your phone will now run this task when that profile is triggered. This will all be done automatically. So as you guys can see, this is straightforward automation application that requires some getting used to in order to get the maximum efficiency out of it. As promised, I will show you the way to get Tasker for free without spending money on it. So all you guys have to do is go to this link right here and download the latest version of Tasker on there for free using your Android device. Then all you guys have to do is just to install the APK and you are ready. Now guys, if you're facing problems running Tasker profiles when you have closed it already, all you guys have to do is go to preferences, go to monitor, and then check mark the run in foreground preference. So what this basically does, it makes sure this app runs in your foreground, and this will make sure that you go into no problems when you're trying to activate these profiles while the Tasker app is closed. So now guys, I'm going to show you guys my top 2 example profiles that you guys can use on Tasker. So the first one, I have already enabled this, but I'm going to create a new profile and show you guys again how to exactly enable Wi-Fi when you're home This does not require GPS, so it's pretty awesome. So the first thing you got to do is create a new profile with state, and go to phone, and then cell near. So then you can press scan and just walk around where you consider to be home and you want your Wi-Fi to switch on, and it'll automatically recognize the cell towers close to you. So once you do that, I recommend you leaving it on scan for a long time, and then you just press stop. And after this happens, all these towers will be recognized, and you just go back in your to your main screen to save this. So once you do that, your um, profile will be saved, and the task pop-up window will open up, and what you have to do is go for new task like I am doing right now. Basically this new task name will open up, and what you guys have to go for in there is anything. Basically I'm gonna say example Wi-Fi on, and once you do that, you can add an action whatever you want to, but right now for the sake of this example I'm gonna go for net and go for Wi-Fi, and then set it to on. So what this does is basically when you're near the cell towers, it turns your Wi-Fi on, and then you just go back to save your changes. I'm just gonna cancel it because I already have Wi-Fi switched on when that happens. So once you guys do that, that will be saved, and now in profile section you will see something like this. Let's say for example it would say cell tower near something, and it would show up like this. So what you guys have to do is just click on Wi-Fi on for a few seconds, and then it would say create a new exit task. So you just press that, and it will once again give you this thing, example task 2. I'm just gonna name it like that, but you just can give any name that you want. So once that you do that, you just go to plus, and then you press net Wi-Fi and set it to off. Once you do this, it would basically say that when you're away from the cell towers, to switch Wi-Fi off, and basically you are done. For my next profile, I'm gonna show you guys how to get you a media menu when you plug in your earphones or your headset.
One eternity later.
So what you guys have to do is basically this. You just got to go to the plus sign, and then select state, and then go for um, hardware and headset plugged. You just select the type any, and then go back to save changes, and that's it. Now once you go to once you select the tasks, you just select new task, and you just go media menu or something like that, and you just press OK, and then you just add an action. Go to plus and just type in the filter menu. So once you select menu, it would show up like this, and what you can put any as the title. I'm just gonna type media menu, or something, and then you just go to items and press plus, and then you guys can add application icon, and you can just go to music, and just it would already show up as the app as music and everything, and then for the next one you guys can go for maybe YouTube or something, anything that you guys use. Let's just say YouTube. Now basically what this does is when you plug in your headset, it would show up something like layout, the layout right here, and you guys can use it to basically do whatever you want. Yeah, so in this video those are my two example profiles that I want to show you guys. If you guys want to see more example profiles, I'll be doing a video on it soon. Just let me know in the comment section below and I will make one. Also guys, I'll be doing a series for this Tasker application because it's a pretty cool app and this was just a beginner tutorial. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. If you guys learned something from this video, please give it a huge thumbs up and also press the red button next to my channel name somewhere around down here to subscribe to my channel and to see more videos like this one. Let me know in the comment section if you guys have any problems or if you want to see more example profiles or other videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. Here are my social media links so that you guys can add me and give me suggestions on what videos to do on YouTube. I'll reply to every single message, comment and everything. So I'm out guys.